it's hard not to be in awe of space. It's our collective final frontier, inspiring dreams of faraway planets and sights as yet unseen. The dreams may be simple, but the act of bringing them to life is tremendously complex. For each and every launch, thousands of things must go perfectly to ensure the right result. That's where Technetics is proud to step in. From America's earliest adventures on board vessels as part of Project Mercury in the mid-20th century to the revolutionary space flights and exploration occurring today, Technetics has provided mission-critical seals and solutions the aerospace industry relies on. They simply cannot fail. That's why it's our mission to craft the best possible products, giving the pioneers of today and tomorrow confidence that no matter how boldly we go, the technology propelling us there is up to the task. Technetics is committed to unwavering quality and mission-critical performance. We can't wait to see where we go next. To learn more, contact us today.